Hey folks, Primo 3D here. I'm going to show you how to make a mini chicken farm. The next video will be about automating the chicken farm from the hopper, collect the eggs, and so on. It should automatically dispense them. Make 2 high glass in front, left, and right. In the back, make it 3 high. Stone slab right there. Oops. Finish off right there. And pretty much that simple. Then you just throw your chicken eggs in, however many you want. Not that quick, I guess. Oh well. See how fast I can go. And when they grow up into like about 15-20 minutes, I think it's 20 minutes, the eggs will just automatically go into the hopper and right into your chest. In the next video I'll show you how to automate it so it just dispenses it right into your chicken farm for you. And that's it. Thanks guys.